Jeez. Those little cricket things are really gross.
We need to get that street light in there. Further right a little bit. There.
Oh, jeez.
Big things crawling around. I don't know what they are. They're little crickets or something. Aren't they disgusting? Look at this. So cool. I know the good one to keep that one.
Mm-hmm.
We need to get that lamp post in there, Simon. Go to the right a little bit.
Mom, is there one on my back?
No, they don't jump on.
Yeah, the one just hit my head. Jeez.
I don't think I've ever seen anything like that in my life. Yeah, never. That much lightning and stars above you.
Look at that.
It looks like,
There's stars.
what do they call them? Armageddon? What is it?
Armageddon?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Where it's like the end of the world happening right in front of you.
Whoa, that one was so cool.
I've never seen that much lightning. We should drive into it. Get in the car and drive north.
Oh.
Like a storm chaser.
Yeah, that'll be smart.
Are you getting on video, Nick?
Yep. That's so weird.
It's so cool, isn't it?
Why does it just keep going off?
I don't know, I've never seen anything like that.
How long can you video for?
I don't know, quite a while.
That was a good one.
I don't know, never read that.